empty, 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate nightclub. Weight on the left. Section 1. Side. Behind side cross with hinge. Hinge 5/8. Cross quarterback 3/8 forward facing 730. 2 run left right. Lift left leg up. Run back left right back with sweep. Count section 1. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Section 2. Behind quarter forward. Cross, prep, now facing 730. Make a 7/8 modified spiral turn. Back left with flick and hitch. Facing 3. Walk right, left. Slow, rock, recover. Quarter side, now facing 6. Count section 2. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 3. Cross, hinge half turn, quarter back, quarter side. Cross. Reverse rolling, quarter back, half forward, quarter side, and make additional 1/8 facing 130 into left basic, side, close, cross. Sweep right, hook right. Count section 3. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 4. Similar to half diamond following. Forward, cross quarter back, back, facing 1030. Behind quarter forward, facing 730. Make a 1/8 side scrap to 6 with hand, side, shoulder, extend. Left basic, side, close, cross. And start again. Count section 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and. Whole dance count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and wall 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and. Bridge at the end of wall 6. The last 4 count, 5 and 6.
Bridge.
Lower right hand down, 7, 8. Raise right hand up, 1. Face down, 2. And continue with the last 2 count, 7, 8, and start again.